one way. This is another way. Let's go this way. So we are going to feed our small cute ducks in this cloudy weather. So let's see how they are now. I think they stay all together at somewhere near seashore. Let's see. I like this path. It's like some separate world. Outside it's raining and inside I think all branches and leaves, they're stopping the rain here inside this small kind of forest. It's very good. All natural roots, leaves. I'm hearing some sound actually. Seems like a few guys are playing over there. Cool, right? Let's go there. I never been here, but just trying to see what series. It's very lightweight actually, the land is. Let's go back. I'm hearing some volleyball sound. Seems people are playing there. But I didn't expect this. Because in this cloudy weather, people don't play here. I think someone is going there. This is underpath. Hope you can see the ducks over there. Yes. Yeah, if you guys are playing volleyball. Some little kid is also in sea now here. Boy is about to swim. Jump. A lot of ducks are there. Look at that, so nice they're moving, isn't it? Let's grab all of them.